Yeah, it's recording. What is up, my MotoSaaders? It's been a little bit. Where you going? Where you going? You got it. Come on now. Alright, crew. Spatty needs gas. Been a little bit since I've talked to you all. Thank you for not killing me. Yeah, man, I mean, I think quite a few great developments in my life. I'm a little more clear-headed than I probably have been in many years. And with that, I'm happy to announce that MotoSaad is now SoberSaad. Yeah, man, I mean, completely unaffected by any external substances, including caffeine. You know, I've talked to you all a little bit about my can of bees usage, and you know, the all cool was also unideal. That's a Cane's now? That's crazy. That used to be like a Jameson Steakhouse. I don't really get this. I don't really get the hype about Raising Cane's. I'm gonna be honest. I really don't get the hype about Raising Cane's. Cool. That light is a little spooky. It's August, it's not October. That light's ready for October. But yeah, man, being sober has actually helped me develop in my life really greatly. Who would have thought that if you could see clearly that you'd be able to make better decisions? Who would have thought? So yeah. I am on like not many hours of sleep, so there is that. And it's interesting, like every time I'm on not many hours of sleep, my desire for substances increases, and I wonder if it's some type of like dopamine. I wonder if it's some type of dopamine related thing where because I'm low on sleep, my dopamine levels are low. Oops, I lost my friend. God damn it. Maybe I shouldn't have taken that right turn. Alright, well, I guess I'll just meet him there. But if I'm gonna... Is that him? Alright, whatever. This is a nice bike. It's the Triumph Speed Twin. The wind noise. I don't know if it's my helmet right now or what. Oh, it's because this visor isn't technically for this helmet. So maybe you guys are dealing with a terrible amount of wind noise. Where is the gas station he was referring to? I believe it's right up here. Oh my god, I did not notice that one. Yeah, it's right here. Oh my god, there's a cop. There he is. Alright, I'll see you guys in a second. So this is the Sportster? This is a Sportster? Sportster S, cool. Oh. Man, going to a Harley from a Triumph is really quite different. I feel like I'm like special horse riding position and gripping the gas tank with my nuts. Got the moon up there, nice. So yeah, I'm SoberSaad now. 1 cent away from having a panic breakdown. Yeah, so do you know where we're going? What? Do you know where we're going? Yeah, I got you. Cool, alright, let's hit it. Yeah, the one thing about this is it's very hot right there. Like the exhaust pipe is like right there, which I guess why you have your legs up here. Oh, really? But yeah, like that exhaust pipe right there is kind of hot. Yeah, this thing's nice too though, man. It almost sounds like there's like a turbo going on in there or something, just like the... and whatever. But yet, the one thing about being sober is that the way I tell people is that it's kind of like touching the hot stove. When you touch the hot stove, you have to deal with a pain for weeks. And then you learn, because of that pain for weeks, and you're constantly reminded every single day, to not touch the hot stove. But if you had a button to press right when you touch the hot stove, you're dealing with this burn, you press a button, and gator skin, you press a button, and you no longer feel that pain, then you're not really going to learn the lesson to not touch the hot stove. And sobriety is just like that. And so I don't know the last time, you know, it's probably been like 13 years since I was properly like clear-headed, no external substances impacting my mind. And that's what sobriety is like. I'm learning so many lessons that I'm like, dude, I should have learned this a decade ago. But now I'm learning this because I would do something stupid, deal with pain, and then have some substance. And that substance would take away the pain of learning. But pain plus reflection, as the wise words of Ray Dalio, equals progress. Still have no clue. Oh, I found it. I found the turn signal. Oh, my man. What is he doing? All right, then. Alright, well, I accidentally left this thing recording the whole time, so I don't have much battery, so that's my bad. So this thing might just die at any second. Let's do it. But yeah, I guess just in case this thing just dies immediately, because the last time I checked it was at 8%. That's the biggest thing I have for you all. SoberSaad, or MotoSaad, is now SoberSaad. And I'm learning all kinds of lessons. You know, it's the biggest lesson that I've learned thus far is it's nice to be important, but it's important to be nice.